Hello everyone, NMB Box Breaks doing a box break on a 2015-16 in the game final vault. Show you the time and date. It is Saturday, December 31st at 1:11. So here are all 30 spots. Thanks everyone for getting in. We're going to randomize this list 3 times. So here we go. It's 1. Sorry. Damn it. 2 and 3. So you see limestone 118 on 1 and limestone 118 at 30, and you see it's been randomized 3 times. So we're going to copy and paste. Let's see. There we go. We're going to paste it there. So you got limestone 118 at 1 and limestone at 30. Alright, so here's the 30 teams, and we're going to randomize this list 3 times as well. That's 1, 2, and 3. So you got Nashville at 1, San Jose at 30, and you see it's been randomized 3 times. So we're going to copy and paste. And here you got Nashville at 1, San Jose at 30. And there's everyone's teams. Go ahead and write it down. Alright, so final vault, it's got 10 hits in here. Now, if for some reason they don't have an NHL teamer on them, NHL team on the card, then we'll just randomize that card. But I think most of them should have NHL teams on them, I think. So there's all your 10 cards. All of them are hits. They're already in a case, so we'll just try to, I'm going to just take them out and put them, we're going to put them face down. Alright, and here we go. So here's card number 1. For the game emblem, Joe Sakic, Colorado Avalanche. Nice, cool patch. Look at that, 1 of 1. That's a nice patch. Colorado Avalanche, Joe Sakic. Really cool looking card here. Like I said, 1 of 1. See it down in the corner, 1 of 1. So nice looking card there. Joe Sakic, Colorado Avalanche. So nice hit right off the bat. Card number 2. Here's a nice card. Mike Modano, game used, gold jersey, captain. Mike Modano, you see down here, V, 1 of 1 as well. Oh, these are the vaults, I guess, 1 of 1. I see, okay. But nice looking patch card for Mike Modano, Dallas Stars. So good, nice hit for the Dallas Stars. Here's card number 3. All right, so here's a 2013 draft prospect, Mirko Mueller. And, you know, when I said he didn't have NHL, I said we randomized it, but I meant only if he's not with an NHL team. So let's go see if Mirko Mueller is with a team or not. He was a 2013 draft prospect, so I would assume he's in somebody's system. But it's possible he's not, and then we would randomize it. He's a Swiss professional hockey. He's currently playing with the San Jose Barracuda as a prospect of the San Jose Sharks. All right, so this card will go to the San Jose Sharks. Let me write this down so I don't forget. Sorry, I moved the card out, but There's your card. Nice autograph for Mirko Mueller. He's a prospect of the San Jose Sharks. Okay, so nice hit for San Jose. All right, here's a nice hit for the Carolina Hurricanes. Jeff O'Neill. Nice autograph jersey card. And that's an on-card autograph. So nice looking card. Jeff O'Neill, Carolina Hurricanes. There's a nice hit for Washington Capitals. Sergei Gonchar. Nice autograph here. Sergei Gonchar. Nice. Here's another autograph from Don Marshall of the New York Rangers. Cool looking card. Don Marshall, New York Rangers. I like this box. A lot of hits. What do we got? 4 autographs already. 2 jersey cards. Here's another one. Eric Daze, Chicago Blackhawks. Jersey card. Cool hit. Chicago Blackhawks, Eric Daze. Yeah. Here's game used jersey black between the pipes. Carey Price, awesome. Montreal Canadiens. That's a cool looking card. Nice Carey Price hit for the Montreal Canadiens. What's nice is there's a lot of different teams here, so a lot of hits for everybody. All right, here's a future prospect, Roland McEwen, game used jersey. Let's see if he's affiliated with a team. So it's a cool jersey. Let's see, Roland. Let's see if we can pull up his name and see where he belongs to. All right, let's see. The Canadian is currently playing with the Charlotte Checkers in the American Hockey League as a prospect for the Carolina Hurricanes. All right, so he is currently a prospect for the Carolina Hurricanes. So I'm just writing this down. It goes to Carolina. And last one, the 10th and final hit is your Mass Men, Tuukka Rask. Sorry, just froze up there for a second. Mass Men, Tuukka Rask, Boston Bruins. Cool looking hit there. All right, guys, that'll do it. I appreciate you guys all getting in the break. Just so you know, I don't have anything else right now up. I ordered some stuff, and it should be in Thursday. With the holidays, the shipping's taking a little longer. I think it'll be in maybe Wednesday, but for sure it's Thursday. I should get some stuff put up. I have a couple hockey, a brand new basketball, and another football up. So I'll have a few, little bit of everything up there. So please take a look. I appreciate everybody for getting in. Maybe I'll get one of these vaults again. I think it's good. Nice 10 hits there. But thanks, everyone, for getting in. Have a happy new year and be safe, guys. And please look next week for some new stuff. Thanks, guys.